Assembly of pedestrian lights. I assemble signal lights on rainy days. We will assemble a pedestrian light device made by Shingo Denzai. I wonder what's inside the box. It is only a signal light, a manual, and cushioning material. Arms and hanging hardware will be sent separately. Here is the pedestrian light just out of the box. Pedestrian lights don't have hoods either. Attach the already assembled arm to the light fixture. Insert the wire into the terminal block and also check the wire number. Install the front panel of the lamp. Plug each connector into the lamp unit. Pull to make sure it is inserted securely. Tighten the screws on the panel and you are done. The assembly preparation of the pedestrian light device is like this. As the work to update to LED lamps is increasing, the preparation alone is quite difficult, because the lamp will take up a lot of space when assembled. I'm preparing to see the process in the weather. Contributing to society with traffic safety facilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.